Hello, this is Peggy from O.S.B. Heat Pump Factory. Today we have the plastic cabin swimming pool heat pump to show you. As you can see, it is a plastic casing, very suitable for constant area, and it is widely used for swimming pool heating or cooling, jacuzzi spa, fish farm, and so on. It has constant function of heating and cooling with precise temperature function to 0.1 degrees. Extremely suitable for fish farm. What's more, it adopts a titanium heat exchanger with corrosion resistant function. Now 3 kW to 25 kW optional, which is suitable for the pool size with 13 cubic meter to 15 cubic meter. OEM or ODM service are optional. If you have similar inquiry looking for the plastic pool heat pump, please contact us right now. See you.